Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you the topic trigonometry of standard 9, chapter number 8. So let's start with this chapter trigonometry. Let me choose the color. Okay, so today's topic is trigonometry. Right. So first I will tell you the introduction part. First, I will tell you the introduction part. Second one is terms related to triangle. And the third one is ratios. Right? Third one is related to ratios. Now, where we use trigonometry? Suppose if there is a tree, then you can find out the length of this tree easily. How? By using thread, by using rope, and you can easily find out the length of this tree. But suppose if there is a case, have you seen the ocean? Suppose this is the ocean, and here it is a boat. Sorry, here it is a boat, and suppose this is a lighthouse. Pardon me for my drawing. This is a lighthouse. If I tell you, find out the distance of this boat from this lighthouse. So it is very difficult to measure the distance of this boat from this lighthouse. So here we use the trigonometry. Right? So trigonometry. Trigno means what? Tree plus gona plus metry. So tree means that it is 3, and gona it means side, and the metry means measurement. So we will measure the figure which has 3 side. 3 side figure we call triangle. Right? And in this topic, in standard 9, we deal with a specific right angle triangle. So, bacho, you have to take care. You have to understand what is right angle triangle. Okay. So I'm gonna teach. There are terms. I'm gonna teach the terms related to the right angle triangle. Okay. So this is a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. Let's name it A, B, C. Angle B is 90 degree. If one angle is 90 degree, then we call this triangle as a right angle triangle. Now think, side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So which side is hypotenuse? That is side AC. Now, two more terms we have to learn, that is opposite side and the adjacent side. Suppose if I take angle A, let me change the color. If I take angle A, this angle A. So tell me the side opposite to this angle A. Is BC. So this I can write side opposite to angle A. And this side is adjacent side to angle A. Right? And this side is hypotenuse, because this side is opposite to 90 degree. So we call it hypotenuse. Side opposite to 90 degree called hypotenuse. Always remember this term, hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse? Okay. So whatever the side, if I change the triangle, so whatever be the side opposite to 90 degree, that we call hypotenuse. Right? So I hope you got the idea for this opposite and adjacent side. Right? Now if I make another triangle, let's name it ABC again, and B is 90 degree. Now, if I ask you, let me change the color. This angle for C. Tell me for angle C. Tell me the opposite side and the adjacent side. Okay. So angle C, for angle C, opposite side is what? So what you have to do? You have to see the opposite angle C. Opposite to the angle C is what? Opposite side. Whatever the side opposite to angle C is opposite side. So this one will be the opposite side for angle C, and this side which is adjacent to angle C is called adjacent side. It's called adjacent side for angle C, and the side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. Right? I hope you understand. Now suppose if I draw one more triangle, this is 90 degree. Let's say this is PQR, and if I say this angle P is theta, now tell me for this theta, what will be the opposite side and adjacent side? Simple, directly you have to draw a line with the side opposite to this theta is called opposite side, and side which is adjacent to this angle is called adjacent side, and side opposite to 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So easily you can find out these three sides, that is hypotenuse, opposite side and adjacent side. If I change the angle, suppose here angle was this one A, but here angle was C. So if I change the angle, you see angle is changed from A to C. If I change the angle, then opposite and adjacent side both get interchanged, right? So you have to remember this. If I change the angle for 90 degree, we cannot see the opposite or anything, because 90 side opposite to 90 degree is always hypotenuse. Okay, so always we will see these two angles only. So whichever angle you see, for that you can find out the opposite side and adjacent side both, right? Okay, so next one is ratio. So for ratio, again we have to draw the right angle triangle, and we will find out the ratio. Okay, A, B, C. Now for this ratio, what are the ratio? First, let me tell you. We have to find the ratio of sine. We have to find the ratio of cos. We have to find the ratio of tangent. Okay, this is sine. This is cosine, this is tangent. Okay, so short form we write like this: tan, cos, and sine. So we have to find the ratio, sine ka ratio. Always we have to find ratio of sine, the ratio of cos, and the ratio of tan. So what is that ratio? That ratio gives you. There is a formula for this one: sine and cos and tan. Suppose if I say sine, so for that you need that angle, some angle. So let's say sine theta. So where is the theta? Suppose let me assume this angle is theta, that angle C is theta. So what is the ratio for sine? See, we have to find the ratio for what? For this theta angle. Kaun-sa ratio? Which ratio we want? We want sine ratio. So sine ratio is opposite side upon hypotenuse, side opposite to angle theta upon hypotenuse. Now tell me, for this theta, what is the opposite side? Opposite side is this one, AB, and what is the adjacent? This is the adjacent side, and side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So tell me, what is the opposite side for, say, this sine theta? Opposite side is AB and the hypotenuse is AC, right? I hope you understand. Again, we have to find out the ratio for this angle theta, that is cos ratio. Okay, ratio of cos. So for this angle theta, there is a formula, that is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So hypotenuse, what is the adjacent side for this angle theta? Is BC upon AC. Again, if I say that tan theta, the formula for tan theta, the ratio for tan theta is always opposite side. See, always we have to see this opposite side and adjacent side with regards to this angle theta. ठीक है. For this angle theta, opposite side is AB and the adjacent side is BC, right? Now let me do one more. Suppose this angle is alpha, this angle is alpha, and if I tell you find the sine alpha, find the cos alpha, find the tan alpha. Now tell me, we have to find the ratio of this alpha, that is sine ratio, that is cos ratio, that is tan ratio with regard to this alpha angle. So for this alpha angle, see, this is the right angle, so side opposite to right angle is hypotenuse, so this will will be your hypotenuse, right? For this alpha angle, the side opposite, मतलब ये जो this adjacent वाला angle side, this adjacent angle side will be your opposite side, and then your opposite side will be your adjacent side, right? I hope आपको समझ में आ रहा है, you understand. ठीक है, the side opposite to this alpha is your opposite side, and this side opposite, the side adjacent to this alpha is your adjacent side, right? So for this alpha, sine ratio is again opposite upon hypotenuse, मतलब side opposite to angle alpha. So what is the side opposite to angle alpha is BC, and what is the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is AC. Again, cos alpha is adjacent upon hypotenuse, So what is the adjacent? Adjacent is AB and the hypotenuse is AC. For tan alpha, we have to write the ratio. Ratio is opposite side upon adjacent side. So what is the opposite? Opposite is your BC and the adjacent is AB. So guys, remember all these terms, all these formulas. Okay. So we will see the practice set 8.1 after this. So this video is regarding to introduction of trigonometry, right? So we will see in the next video with the practice set 8.1.